Court is calling 2020 CR 0810 State of Texas versus Montoya Callahan. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hunter Morris for the state.
For the defense?
James Anders for the defense.
All right, and Ms. Montoya, I'm sorry, Ms. Callahan, can you unmute for me, please?
Yes.
Are you Montoya Callahan?
Yes, ma'am.
We're proceeding by video because of the pandemic. Any objections from the state or the defense?
None from the state, Judge.
None from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Callahan, I'm showing you what's entitled Defendant's Consent to Appear by Video. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily consented to appear by video. Next, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review it with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you electronically sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Callahan, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I'm
Yes,
sorry.
Your Honor.
Counsel, do
We
you waive the?
waive the reading of the indictment, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. State, it appears that you're proceeding on the indictment as presented. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Callahan, I'm showing you what's entitled Court's Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand what you're charged with by indictment is burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault? That's second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Callahan, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Next, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication, taking in consideration County Court Cause number 656369. There's restitution to Stefan, Stafon, Reese, Reese. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, anger management, no contact with Stefan Reese and his residence in place of employment, $100 to an approved family violence center. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Judge, did the state indicate a fine?
No, there's no fine.
That is the plea bargain agreement, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense is charged in the indictment. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's no contest plea.
State offer states one of the attachments, Judge.
Any objections?
No objection to that offering.
Ms. Callahan, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call on the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Other than, no, Your Honor, not anything too long, other than she realizes that this was a mistake. It was not exactly the proper way to handle the situation at the time, and that she believes that deferred adjudication is proper, and accepts her responsibility for it.
All right, David Martin. It's David Martin standing in for the state. All right, Mr. Martin, on Ms. Callahan's case, were you able to contact the complainant in this matter?
Yes, we have.
And is he aware of this agreement?
He's aware of it. He prefers a different outcome, but in light of the circumstances and the defendant's criminal history, the state feels that this is a just resolution.
All right, Ms. Callahan, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you do?
I am a molder for a company called Green Tweed.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. Take in consideration County Court Cause Number 656369. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. No contact with Stefan Reese, his residence or place of employment. $100 to an approved family violence center. Anger management. $180 hours of community service restitution, or you can pay $7.25 per hour to San Antonio Food Bank. Regular Zoom reporting or in person. Random UAs. Proof of employment within 15 days. No employment with vulnerable persons. What that means is you can't be a home health care provider, or work any employment that involves supervision of minors. Probation, is there anything else that she needs?
No, Judge.
All right, Ms. Callahan, is there anything else that you need in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and Ms. Callahan, it goes without saying, Mr. Reese is done with his relationship with you. He does not want to have any contact with you. You are not allowed to call him, text him, speak to his family, send him messages by Instagram or through any other means. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to send you to a breakout room, and probation will go over conditions.
Okay.
I'm going to send you to breakout room number 3. Probation, if you could go to 3. And with that, we'll close the record. Where's Montoya Callahan? Thank you. Are you all ready to proceed?
I don't know what's going on, Your Honor. I have another lawyer, and then all of a sudden,
Okay, who's her attorney?
he's appointed, Judge.
Yes.
I've hired James Anders. I'm not sure what's going on.
Right, James Anders hasn't filed a notice of retained counsel. Did you cut, Ms. Ferguson, were you able to cut? All right, just have a seat. We're going to contact.
Mr. Anders was who represented me prior to.
Oh, well, you have to make sure that you have actually retained him. So Ms. Ferguson, we're going to call him.
This is what the confusion comes in at. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I had 2 separate cases. The second one, that's when James Anders came into the picture, and I'm not certain if whether or not he was my court-appointed attorney on this case or the
All right,
other.
so here's the thing. If you're looking for a court-appointed attorney, this is your court-appointed attorney. If you're saying you hired an attorney and it's Mr. Anderson, he has not filed a notice of retained counsel.
Well, that's
Objection, Mr. Anders no longer works for their company. He's no longer in the wheel.
Yeah.
And he's no longer here.
So this is your court-appointed attorney.
okay. So that's where I need to get the clarification because I'm confused.
Okay, all right. So
Okay.
if you'll discuss things with her, please, Mr. Alman.
I have a question. I did not receive the appointment. I don't know why, it was a mistake or something.
All right, do you mind discussing with her today?
I would like to, a 7-day recess, and I will speak to Ms. Callahan on Saturday by Zoom at the jail.
All right, I'll give you a reset, but the state is here now, you're here now. So if you can let her know what's going on with her case, the court would appreciate it.
I can't explain to her what they want to do.
Well, I mean, she's here. Yes,
Yes, I just don't. I get him telling me this is what they're offering you. I haven't even spoken to this man before. I
Well,
haven't even
here's the thing.
explained my situation to
all right,
him.
so this is where we are. I'm gonna give him a reset. He says he wants to come and visit you on Saturday, but I want to make sure that he has everything that he needs. So the conversation you have with him on Saturday will be a fruitful one. So nothing's gonna happen today, okay? Not until you've seen everything, all right? So trust me, I always want to make sure that the defense and the state and the defendants who are here know everything that's happening with their case. Okay? All right, so Ms. Ferguson,
They're giving me an offer and I discussed it with the tentatively, but
well, no. We're going to give you your 7-day reset. What date can we bring this up?
we can come back on the 31st.
All right, so we're going to come back on October 31st, okay? And we'll see where we are then.
Okay.
And then if there are any issues, the court will take it up at that time. You're welcome. Approach and announce for the record for the state,
Catherine Pollard for the state.
for the defense.
Mundo Aleman for Ms. Callahan.
And are you Montoya Callahan?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, where do you want me to start?
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, just come forward.
For me,
No, you're in the center. All right, right there. Ms. Callahan, I'm showing you a document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Montoya Callahan who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0810 for the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault on May 28, 2021 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Judge, it's violation of condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Montoya Callahan did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of September and October 2021 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And Judge, we would waive the other violations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court can find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
Violation of condition number 5 is true. Is there an agreement?
There's not an agreement.
State, what are you requesting?
Judge, we're requesting amending and adding safe P followed by aftercare.
All right,
Followed
defense,
by
what are
what?
you? They're asking for inpatient treatment as safe P followed by aftercare. What are you requesting, defense?
Your Honor, I did not handle the original case. So I don't know why it happened originally. I did get the discovery, in which apparently the state argued that they found it hard to find the Callahan before they finally arrested her, because they kept giving her an opportunity to show up, and she would never show up to discuss the case. So I don't know what happened. This Callahan sent a letter with what I disclosed it to the probation officer and the state explaining why she did. She had the problem. And she also gave it to the court. And what she is asking for is that she be given the TAP evaluation, which apparently was never given to her. It's been in the court, and she then be released on probation. And that's what she's asking for.
All right, so why are you not reporting?
I went through a lot of hardships around that I explained in the letter around the time that I stopped reporting. And I don't have any excuses for it, but that's what was going on mentally. I just had a breakdown. And I kind of gave up on myself, on life. I was not doing drugs. I just kind of went into a depression state. And I sought help through the church, just not professional help. And I kind of started to get myself back together, started working again, got myself a place to stay, started trying to start my businesses back up, and just ended up getting caught on the warrant for this. With all intentions of eventually turning myself in. Never wanted to continue to run, just wanted to get myself to a place where I could turn myself in and get myself proper representation prior to doing so. And I ended up getting caught on the warrant first.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. So what are you planning on doing with your life?
Right now, I'm trying to start a business with Lucio. It's Lucio's Landscaping. I have given him all of the money needed to invest in the business with him. I just got arrested first. I'm trying to do that because of my felony. It's been hard for me to get a real good job for me.
All right, so here's the thing. In this court, communication is key when you're on probation, because I want people to successfully complete probation. If I didn't think you could successfully complete it, I would not place you on probation. I would send you to prison.
Yes, I understand.
You're looking at 20 years in prison, and I see that. I'm the one who gave you your instructions on what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to have to do better. All right, this is what the court will do. The court will deny the motion. I'm going to alter and amend conditions. And we're going to do GPS for 60 days. And probation, she can get GPS once she's released from the jail. Because I know there's been some issue with the jail putting it on. Do you know if those issues still exist? All right, well, let's do this. If there are still issues with the jail putting on the GPS, then she can put it on after she gets out. All right, and that'll need to be done within 48 hours of release.
Okay.
And there is going to be reporting to probation every 2 weeks. For 60 days. And if everything goes well with that, then she can go back to regular reporting. I'm going to need an updated TAP evaluation. And if the TAP evaluation suggests inpatient treatment, we'll start off with intensive outpatient treatment. And field visits 2 times per month for 60 days. And probation is, if everything goes well with the field visits, then you can go back to field visits as probation feels needed. And where are you going to be living?
4303 Draco Street.
All right, so you know you're still, all of the conditions remain, so you're still not to have any contact with the complainant, you understand?
Never that, yes.
All right, is there anything that I've given you that you don't understand?
No, ma'am. Thank you very
If
much.
If you fail to report, there are going to be issues. So from here on out, everything that you do, every decision you make, you need to ask yourself, is this something that could result in me being sent to prison potentially for 20 years? You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.